Dr. Shakti, what is photo-immunomodulation therapy or PIM therapy?
Okay. So in order to understand photo-immunomodulation therapy, we must understand before that light energy has significant effect on the biological system. So when I say biological system, there are three major regulatory systems within our body. One is the neurological system. This is nervous system also referred to as. Second is the endocrine system, which produces all the hormones and which regulates the metabolic activities. And third is the immune system, which is responsible for defending our body and also repair and regeneration of our tissue when the damage happens. So all these three systems are responsible for a normal functioning of a living system. So light has effect on all the three systems, as I was described earlier, the light, our sleep and wake cycle, which acts through the nervous system. Same way the light also has effect on our endocrine system. Our hormonal changes also happen differently in different time of the day. And the immune system, it also responds profoundly or very significantly to light conditions. Now, my research was based on the effect of light on the immune system. And when we talk of light, it's not a single entity. Light is made up of a variety of frequencies. And what we are talking is the visible frequency of light, which we also refer to as Vibgyor. That's the violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So these are the 7 frequencies which we perceive as colors, but these are different energy frequencies of light. Now beyond violet is the ultraviolet, which is non-visible and invisible, and on the other side beyond red is infrared, which is also invisible. So we are talking from red to violet, which is the visible frequency. Now the ultraviolet has got the damaging effect. Normally we have heard like people are afraid to go out in the sun because they feel that going out in the sun will cause the skin tanning or darkening of the skin, or it could also cause skin burns. So what happens that the darkening of the skin happens because of the ultraviolet rays, and the skin burn happens because of the infrared rays. But what is in between violet to red, that does not have any damaging effect. Rather, these are the essential elements for our own survival. If you are not exposed to this visible frequency of light, you will have a variety of like disease function happening in the body. And we are all aware of that vitamin D is a sunlight, this thing vitamin. Is because of that, once we get exposed to the sunlight, it triggers the production of vitamin D, which in turn, which is only a first step, but there are multiple steps involved, and that ultimately it enhances the immunity. So sunlight enhances the immunity, and each frequency of light has a differential effect on the immune system. So when we talk of, say, there are 7 colors, so starting from violet to red. So when we go towards red side, it enhances the immunological responsiveness. When we go to the blue or violet side, it reduces the immunological responsiveness. So that's how the two sides of the spectrum has differential effect of the immune system. So this was the discovery I made during my research, and based on this research, then I developed this technology where I can modulate the immune system using different frequency of light.